So I have a couple recipes that I'm going to use some leftover Easter candy to make.
Cool.
Super fun, right? So you can make these after Easter, before Easter, during Easter itself if you want.
Could you
Either
make your recipes today in a different season with the other holiday in which we celebrate candy, Halloween?
Absolutely. This one actually is great for that because I'm going to show you guys how to make a microwave mug cake, which only takes 1 minute to make, and then we're going to top it off with some Easter candy so you can make it whenever you want. Right?
All right.
Super fun. So, in this bowl right here, I'm just going to mix up our dry ingredients. So we have some flour, a little bit of sugar, some cocoa powder, some baking powder. And here I have my dry ingredients. Now I'm going to add our wet ingredients. So I'm going to use Greek yogurt actually to sort of like
that makes the cake healthy before you put the candy on.
Right, totally. It makes a little bit of health. It makes it a little bit healthier, kind of.
Vegetable oil.
And it also keeps the moisture in there because we're not using any egg or anything here.
Okie doke.
A little bit of vegetable oil and then a tablespoon of milk. I'm just going to add that right in. And then we're going to mix it up. Now, my favorite Easter candy is cream eggs. So I'm going to add my batter right into our mug. And then we're going to microwave this for 1.5 minutes. When it comes out, we're going to top it off with this egg. And since it's super hot, it just kind of melts all over the place. But I'll show you that once it comes out because I'm going to microwave it right now.
Okay.
All right, so our mug cake.
Fred Bob is a wascally wabbit like bugs.
And he gets to have dessert because I just finished our mug cake. Just came out of the oven. Now I'm just going to crack one of these eggs right on top.
Shut up.
Check that out. Isn't that fun? And then you can just
Adorable.
garnish it with some more candies. Yum, look at that. Isn't that yummy?
Adorable.
Cool, right? All right, so this next one is super fun. This is I like to call it a broken bunny Blondie, because what we're going to do is we're going to take one of these chocolate bunnies and we're going to smash it up.
Oh, no.
And make some blondies out of it. Yeah. Fred Bob might not like this one so much.
Take Fred Bob. He shouldn't see this. He's too young. Here, don't forget his carrot.
So would you like to do the honors?
Yes.
Okay, wow. All right, well, this one will be a little bit less chocolate than the other one. So in here I have some butter. I just
Can
added
I
in
break these too?
some brown sugar. Yeah, just break everything. It's fine. Because this recipe is... Now I'm going to put this back here. Don't want you near that anymore. And now can you add all your broken...
I just had a bunny intervention.
Yeah. We're good on that. So we can just mix in our coconut. So in here, basically, I just had melted butter, some brown sugar, some flour, and then a little bit of almond extract. And now we're just going to add in all of our broken bunny pieces, which is
Look at what a good job I did.
Yeah, these are extra chocolatey. We're going to add in our broken up little candies. In this recipe, you can use, pretty much any candy for. Or if you want to skip the step of making the batter, you can just buy a store-bought brownie mix and use that. And then we just pour it into our baking pan. And I like to line it with a little bit of... Don't get it on my arm. Hold on. I have a really great tip. I have these little binder clips that I like to put on the side so it keeps the parchment in. I know, right?
It's very nerdy, but very cute.
Yeah, I know. All right, so whatever. Yeah, just put that in there. So then it comes out and it looks like this. But check it out. You can see his little eyeballs on top.